Ed, we survived our sunrise canoe trip.
Well, most of us did.
Yeah, nobody perished.
Wet feet, and that was it.
Little wet feet, yeah.
Exactly.
But it was an amazing experience. You were kind of like the go-to guy for canoes and bikes and all that good stuff, right?
Well, you know, the great thing is to get somebody on the water or on a bike or running or whatever it is, get somebody outside and you may change their life. You never know. Sometime one little activity will change somebody.
Yeah.
And that happened to me. That's the reason I love it so much. That's the opportunity we have as an outdoor store. We do a lot of rentals. We have everything from greenway bikes to hardtails to full suspension. So there's something for everybody.
With the canoe tours, can it be groups? Does it have to be large groups?
It's mostly
small
groups. You know, we schedule some on Saturdays for individuals, but mostly it's groups, and we'll take them out to Seven Island, which is beautiful out on the French Broad, and do, you know, paddle trips there with them. You know, you can bike, you can swim, you can
Absolutely.
paddle.
Maybe do all three if you're feeling good. I mean, this store is like the ultimate outdoor store. What inspired you to initially open that 900 square foot store?
I was a big boater and couldn't find gear, and I continued to go out of town to find gear from a friend of mine in Kentucky, and one day he said, "Why don't you open a store?" I said, "Okay."
All right.
So I came and found a old house that was condemned and in foreclosure and bought it, had no clue what I was doing. And
that's wonderful that your business has grown so much, you know, over those 36 years. Like you said, you started at a 900 square foot building in, you know, 12,000, right?
Yeah, we have 5 rentals locations, so we try to get more and more people out, you know, so that's one advantage we have over the internet, that you can't get that on the internet yet.
Yeah, but what other changes have you seen over 36 years that you've been doing this?
Well, I think, you know, everybody had opened a long time ago. You opened a store and pretty much people came to see you. They couldn't find it anywhere else. Now I think everybody's having to change their model. You gotta have super customer service. You gotta have an experience tied with your store. And we have a climbing gym attached to the store.
I want to talk about that too. That's unique. I like it. This is a very, very cool place, great business, great service, and I totally appreciate you taking me out this morning. It was early, but you were awesome.
That's the fun part of the job.
Yeah.
Now we get to come back and work. That was fun.
Yeah.
That wasn't work.
No, it wasn't. It wasn't. It's nice to be able to call that work.
Yeah, it is.